Hey, Joe Proto here with one of the keys to understanding positive psychology. Positive psychology is both a movement and a science. The movement involves absolutely anyone who is interested in evidence based approaches to improving well being, either for themselves or for their community. I invite you to join this movement. Rather than just study illness to treat or prevent it, let's also study wellness and create it. As studies show that an attitude of gratitude and random acts of kindness will increase your overall well being and reduce the stress in your life. As positive thoughts generate positive feelings, which attract positive life experiences. Please know we're all a mixture of strengths and weaknesses. No one has it all, and no one lacks it all. So remember, this is not about being perfect or positive all the time. It's about neutralizing negativity and being peaceful while making progress in a healthy way. An optimistic, healthy, and joyful life is an individual creation. Be kind and patient with yourself as you create yours. Make it a great day.